How to get food on Air New Zealand. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can get food on Air New Zealand. So kindly watch till the end so that you would not miss any important information. So what do you do first? The first step is for you to log in into your Air New Zealand account just like I've done here, and then take note of the tips that I'll be explaining to you in this video. In order to get food, the first step would be for you check your ticket if you are with the standard ticket. Most passengers with standard tickets would receive complimentary food and drinks included in their fare. So for passengers traveling trans-Tasman or to the Pacific Islands with seat-only fares, a complimentary snack along with tea, coffee, water, or juice is often provided. So in order to get food, ensure you have a standard ticket. And secondly, you can order food and beverages from the onboard menu. All right. And by ordering food, you would purchase this with your credit card or with your AirPoints dollars. All right. Then the third way of getting food is if you have dietary restrictions or preferences, you can pre-order special meals when booking your flight. And how do you pre-order special meals? On the Air New Zealand page, just go ahead to click on the help option, and once you're taken to the help page, you'll see the option which says special assistance, right? You'll see other options here on this page. On you can see the option for you to manage your flight booking online and the likes of that. So you can either decide to read an article answering your question, or you can scroll down to the last part of the page where you have an option for you to chat with the digital assistant or to chat with a customer care. So you now chat the customer care, click on the chat now button, and then you'll be taken to the next stage where you can chat to the customer care. So by chatting, ensure you make an order for the kind of meal that you want based on your dietary restrictions. So that is it. So these are the various ways you can get food on Air New Zealand. Thank you for watching and have a good day.